Truth is a leadership discipline. Truth is not volume. Truth is not aggression. Truth is not emotional discharge. Truth is alignment between what I see, what I say, and how I lead. Most leaders do not struggle with ignorance. They struggle with avoidance. They see the misalignment. They sense the bias. They recognize the dysfunction, but they hesitate to name it. Truth requires courage, but more than that, it requires responsibility. Liberation. Truth with yourself. The first truth is internal. Where am I misaligned? Where am I tolerating what drains me? Where am I performing instead of leading? Where have I outgrown the role but not admitted it? Truth disrupts comfort. But without internal truth, leadership becomes performance. When I tell the truth, I reclaim clarity, and clarity restores authority. Visibility. Truth in the room. Truth spoken strategically changes power dynamics. Naming impact instead of minimizing it. Naming bias instead of internalizing it. Naming expectations instead of assuming them. Naming misalignment before it festers. Truth does not require hostility. It requires precision. If I dilute truth for palatability, I protect comfort over progress. Leadership demands I choose progress. Transformation. Truth that shifts systems. Systems persist when truth is softened. If the evaluation criteria are biased, say it. If the culture rewards overwork, name it. If the norm excludes people, challenge it. Truth is not about shaming individuals. It's about exposing patterns. When patterns are visible, they become movable. The risk and the reward. Truth will cost you something. Comfort, approval, ease, but silence costs more. Erosion, resentment, stagnation. Truth practiced consistently builds credibility. People may resist it in the moment, but they trust leaders who operate from alignment. The bottom line, truth is not reactive. It is disciplined clarity. It is the refusal to pretend. It is the decision to lead from reality, not illusion. Truth liberates internally. Truth strengthens visibility. Truth drives transformation. And when truth becomes your operating standard, you do not need to raise your voice. Your alignment speaks.